Hey, hi guys. So I'm Naval Jamal here. So welcome to my uh, BI series in YouTube. So we have done with the text function. So this is a text function part 2 where I'm going to explain you how and, or, and not works. So here we have a table. If you have both true and if you have applied and there, it will be definitely true. And if like true and false, you get false here and you get false. So for and, both the conditions should be true. If any one of the condition is true, in and it will return you to the false, but in or at least one condition should be true to get, or you get a true value there, and if both are false you get false. So you need to remember this if you want to apply a logical functions and, or, and not. So not is simple. If you having true, it will get the opposite one, and if you're having false, it will give you the true. Okay, so let us apply that in hands-on now. Now let me take a new column and start applying a DAX. I'll give a column name as or, and I'll take or. Now it is asking me two logical statements. If these two logical statements are true, you get true. You can see here returns true if any of the arguments are true, and returns false if all the arguments are false. Suppose if I write the region, if the region is equal to north, or if I write salary, if a salary column is greater than 40,000. Okay, so I want to check if the region is north and if the salary is greater than 40,000, I should get true here. And like if any one condition is true, it will give you true. For all others, it will give you false. You can see here east, you got east, but the condition was about north. Okay, but what is salary? Salary is greater than 4,000. Okay, true. And here you got west, and it fails. 38,000, it also fails, so it is false. So coming to this one, this is also false, this is also false. And you talk about this, oh, region failed, but whereas salary has like uh, accept the condition, like it is greater than 40,000, so it is true. Similarly, you can see that. So you can apply both the conditions and check. Now when you apply similar condition for and, so just to save some time, let me copy this and take a new column and use and. Okay, let me write it again. And oh, just a minute guys. Yeah, so instead of or, now let me write and. So if I take and, now you can see checks whether all arguments are true. If and returns true if all the arguments are true. If all the arguments are true, it will return true, otherwise it will return you false. Now you can see that, oh, the column name is already exists. Let me take and here and then run this. So if you see, like if both the columns here you got true, if both are true, like if the region is north and if the salary is greater than 40,000, then only you will get true. If the region is north, if the salary is greater than 40,000, you will get true. Otherwise, you get all false. So this is how and works. And when you are talking about the last, that is not, that is a simple. If you are having true, it will give you the false. You'll get the opposite one. So let me apply not on any of this, maybe for the and column or for the or column. So let me apply not column name. Actually, this column name is not recommended. So give not and take any column name which has having a boolean value. Without boolean, it doesn't work. So let me take a column name called and or. So I'll take and I'm not using an and function guys, I'm using and column name. Yeah, so just let me take yes, press enter. You can see you here you get false, rest all will be converted to true. So these are few of the logical functions in DAX. Actually, there are many, but these are few of them that we will be using it. We will be using it regularly. I hope you enjoyed the session. So if you like the content, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with your friends. Keep learning, guys. Thanks for watching again.